bell has gone and it's a subdued opening. Not deeply in the red, down about 20 points on the Nifty, so 18,264. The Sensex is down 450 points. In percentage terms, the key benchmark indices are lower by 0.1%. So mildly lower, not a deep cut, something the markets can take in their stride. There's clearly a defensive tilt to the market. So the gainers are your defensive names. So FMCG stocks top the list. Britannia right now is the top Nifty gainer. ITC is hit a fresh 52-week high. ITC is up 0.7%. This week, in the last 4 trading sessions, ITC has gained close to about 4%. Nestle as well, giving the FMCG boys company. So FMCG stocks are doing pretty well. A couple of pharmaceutical names, let's get them, because pharma has seen some buying. The numbers have not been bad. And this morning, you've got Cipla in the green, Dr. Reddy's too, showing a minor green tick. Dr. Reddy's, Bajaj Auto. In the banking pack, it's Kotak Mahindra Bank, which is showing some traction on the way up. On the losing side, for the second day in a row, metals are under pressure. Yesterday as well, the Nifty Metal Index was down nearly 1%, and today the Nifty Metal Index is down 0.6%. Hindalco, JSW Steel are the top 2 Nifty losers. Tata Motors, on the back of that UBS anti-consensus sell call, has opened with a cut of nearly 0.5%. IT is seeing some selling pressure. HCL Tech Mahindra, a bit subdued in trade, down close to about 0.5%. So that pretty much sums up the action in the frontline pack. The mid-cap index is holding absolutely flat. The advanced decline ratio, early rates, 1 minute down, but in favor of the gaining side.
Well, that's right, Rima. You know, the dip wasn't as deep as expected. I think we could see an intraday dip from here. We're down only around 10 points, but I think we're still due for a bit of a correction in terms of an intraday dip. But in individual stocks, prudent corporate advisory services, not very, very high volumes normally, only around 22,000 shares traded, but that stock is up more than 10%. I think it's reacting to its numbers. Piramal Pharma, after many, many quarters of underperformance, it's performed. The market likes it. It's up close to around 8% odd. Remember, valuations are not a problem. Delivery was a problem, and they have an analyst meet as well. So let's see what comes out of that. For the time being, the markets like it. Wonderla Holidays, well, those numbers are wonderful indeed. The stock is up close to around 6.5%. I think we had, Titagar Wagons as well. Yes, that stock is up. It's reacting to numbers up close to around 5%. So plenty of stocks doing very, very well in today's trading session. Nalco, the numbers are very, very good. Unfortunately, you're not getting any reaction out there because the entire global setup is a little bit muddled. So that's the reason why that stock's not participating. Oil India, Sonal told us the numbers weren't that great. That one's down close to around 2.5%. So as flat as can be as we speak on the Nifty, more number of stocks advancing than declining. The Nifty Bank for now is held on to that 43,500 odd mark. It needs to hold on to that 43,400 odd mark going by the options data. 44,000, last 5 sessions. It's visited it every day, but unfortunately not able to get past that. What else, Prashant?
Well, you know, it's absolutely flat, right, on the Nifty, and it's much better outcome as compared to what the SGX, etc., was indicative of. But will we see a repeat of yesterday? I mean, yesterday also the open was much better as compared to what the indication was. Then we got the first dip, and then, of course, in the last 30-40 minutes or so, we got the second one. So we'll see in terms of how this space really evolves. Let me just quickly take a look at the broader markets and see what else seems to be happening, apart from names that we've already mentioned. Broader markets, right? So LIC is coming up on my screen with a 2.5% gain, but it's coming up on very large volumes for this point in the day, which is right at the word go. Doesn't usually. Zomato is up 3%. We, I think, mentioned that. Britannia is up about 3% or so. Again, Britannia is showing some volume traction. So price and volume both coming up there. Adani Transmission, Adani Total Gas, both are up 2 and 3% respectively. Yesterday, after 2 days of non-stop rallies, the 2 Nifty Adani stocks, Enterprises and Ports, both corrected a little bit, and others were a little subdued. This morning, the start is higher. KPIT Tech is up about 2.5%. Piramal Pharma is up 9% or so, 81 rupees in Piramal Pharma. I think we had Sanjeev Bhasin with us on last Friday. He was pretty bullish on Piramal Pharma. So that's looking up. Fine Organics is up about 4% or so. Nigel mentioned Wonderla. Dream Folks is up another 2.75%. So this is a little scattered, but I think I've gone through the bulk of the volume-led movers that we have with us. We were just talking about Deepak Nitrite with Mitesh. Deepak Nitrite starts about 1.25 lower. It went up 10% yesterday. What else? NCC recovered day before yesterday's losses by close yesterday. Chennai Petro is down about 1.25%. Oil India is down about 2%. Garden Reach Shipbuilders is down about 4% or so. And Borosil Renewables, and we'll be speaking with the management of Borosil Renewables in a bit from now, the stock's down about 3.5% as we begin another trading session. I mean, the Nifty is blinking red and green. It's neither here nor there, 18,285.